So guys, for the first method, once you're on Steam, you're going to click on Steam in the top left. Now you're going to click on check for Steam client updates. It's now going to start updating Steam. Make sure that your Steam is fully up to date. See if that works for you. If that's still not working for the second method, you're going to go to your Steam library. Now you're going to find your game. You're going to right click on it, and then click on properties, and then click on installed files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. Now once your files have been successfully validated, see if that works for you. For the next method, you're going to click on Steam in the top left. Now you're going to click on Settings. Now once you're on this, you're going to click on the Downloads tab. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on Clear Cache. This is going to sign you out of Steam and then clear your download cache. You then want to sign back in again. So you're going to click on Confirm. It's going to sign you out, sign back in again, see if that works for you. For the last method, you want to uninstall and reinstall your game. So once you find your game in your Steam library, you want to right click on it and then click on Manage and then click on Uninstall. You then want to uninstall it. Then you just want to reinstall it again. Hopefully this will now fix your problem.